Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo or motion photo in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then swipe like this to access this menu, and here you have active photos, so you can enable like automatic or just normal active photo, or you can disable it like this. So let's try it out. So I know that active photo is moving picture, so let's like move something while I'm taking a photo. Okay, and to move this picture you have to open it like in gallery and then hold your finger on it. And as you can see, the picture is moving. The same goes for other ones. Just hold your finger on it and it's moving, becoming active. So yeah, that's the way it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.